Hey, ladies and gents, welcome to our penultimate week of the class. Vocabulary word for you. That means second to last week. Um, on Sunday, you turned in your project 2 drafts in 2 places, one for feedback from me as the instructor and one in the peer review. If you forgot to submit in both places, please make sure you do that so you can get that well-rounded feedback. If you submit in the peer reviews late, um, then the system does not automatically assign you peer reviews. So you'll need to send me an email ASAP asking me to put people as your peer reviewers if you submit late. You have about 48 hours to do that. After that point, um, we're so far past the deadline that the peer review doesn't really make sense in its original iteration. So I won't be assigning anything for anyone after that time. So if you do submit your peer review late and you submit it today, please send me an email and I'll make sure to get you those peer reviews assigned. Otherwise, make sure that you get an appointment with our fabulous writing mentor to get a little bit of feedback and some help on your essay. So you are going to be completing peer reviews. And then this week you're going to be looking at your revision plan and start revising project 2. I'll be taking a look at your essays today and tomorrow. I'm hoping to have your feedback all for you by the 14th so you can incorporate that feedback into your revision plans. And then you will be reviewing throughout this week and you're going to be turning in that revised draft on Sunday. And then we go into our final week of classes where you are going to be working on your reflections and assembling your digital portfolio. So lots of good stuff there as we look ahead. But this week we are going to be focusing on revision of Project 2. So make sure that you are digging deep, you're making substantial changes, you're taking in the input you get from your peers, from me, and hopefully from our excellent writing mentor as well. She does have a lot of opportunities posted for you to get help. So if you are struggling at all with your assignments, please make sure that you get in touch with Amanda. She's got great announcements to help you out. And she will also be doing revision workshops that she's already posted the schedule for. So please make sure to take advantage of that as well because it's important to get that feedback. And this kind of one-on-one time with Amanda is, I cannot emphasize how amazing it is to have this opportunity. You can do it synchronous, so you're actually talking to her face-to-face, or you can do it asynchronous where you send her the paper and she gives you feedback like that. So please make sure to take advantage of that. Amanda is amazing. She is so smart and so kind and just like an incredible person. So take advantage of that opportunity. It will really help you out on this project too. And that's where we're headed this week, our penultimate week of the class. Work on that revision, reach out to Amanda, sign up for those help sessions, and let me know if you have any questions.